Hello friends, it's Jennifer Anglin reporting live from the pool. I was going to have a book signing on Saturday at the Gallatin Public Library, and there is a street festival going on at the same time, and the library where I'm going to be is going to be the only public restrooms that are available. So I'm thinking, since it's still July the 72nd, instead of October the 2nd today, that I would make some water bottles that I could hand out with my information on there, so that would be one more footprint for my name and my website. So I did a lot of research, and I'm trying out my handmade water bottle labels to see if they work or not. Now I'll tell you what I did. I printed out my label. Well, this is my microphone, but I'm going to do these on water bottles. But I printed out my label, what I wanted it to say, on regular paper on an inkjet printer. Regular paper. And then I used packing tape and taped the label onto the bottle. And although this is my microphone, this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the pool and see if the label stands the test of time. If it can, if you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball, and if you can swim in the pool, then you'll be able to be on ice for a while for my friends that come to the book signing on Saturday. So I'm gonna put it in the water and see what happens. Here we go. It's in. It's floating. We'll see what happens. Tune in. I'll let you know.
2 hours later.
Hey, welcome back. Guess what? This bottle has been floating in the pool for 2.5 hours, and I say that it looks really good. So if you need to make, I will tell you that I went to Office Depot, and to buy actual water bottle labels, it's $19.99 for 20 of them, and that was a little pricey, I thought, if you want to provide labels and water bottles for the masses. So I decided to make my own with the regular copy paper and then packing tape over the top. What I did learn from Office Depot is that the ones that you can buy already made and then you print them, they are not waterproof, but this is, because this has been floating around in the water for 2.5 hours. I would say that this is a complete win. So if you need promotional items and you want to do water bottles, the best way to do it is to use regular copy paper, put what you want, type it in, print it out, and then put packing tape over the top of it, and it looks professional just like that. Check me out, www.thejenniferanglin.com. I'll see you soon.